Sky is burning gold tonight. Hear the earth, the rivers wide, where the ancient spirits hide. Footprints dancing in the sand, guided by the healer's hand. Every mountain knows my name, every fire speaks the same.
Through the storm and through the rain, the heart always finds its way.
Hear the drums cry in the distance, calling every soul back home. Even stars bow to the heavens when the night no longer feels alone.
When the sun calls home, we rise together. Through the dust, through the flame, we remember. When the sun calls home, no fear can hold us. Ancestors sing our names, the sky unfolds us. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Children running through the plains, laughing louder than the rain, eyes reflecting amber light, dancing freely through the night. Broken hearts begin to heal when the lion spirit speaks. Every shadow fades away when tomorrow starts to breathe. Lift your voice into the wind, let the earth begin again. From the ashes we are born, never lost, never torn. Aye, aye, aye. When the sun calls home, we stand forever hand in hand beneath the fire, stronger together. When the sun calls